Hi, and welcome to Spectacle. My name is Sylvester A. Hansen, and I am the lead game developer on the game Spectacle. So what I'll be showing you today is a bit of a speed paint of the main character of the game, Gerda. Now this is actually a somewhat outdated design, but I'm showing it to you today to really give you a sense of what you're going to be seeing, assuming you follow the channel, for the next couple of weeks. Now, when I started Spectacle, it was very important to me that every facet of the game really exude the cyberpunk reality that I wanted this world to be set in. The game is sort of set in this alternate reality that's not quite ours, a little bit more kiddie, childy, but fun at the same time, and I felt like this design really embodied that. Maybe a bit too much. So as you can see here, the character is supposed to be somewhat defined, a little bit tomboyish. This is why she has that like one part of the head shaved and the other part not, which is also very popular at the moment, by the way. So actually I got some help for this design by my good friend Luba Halacheva. She was very kind and actually submitted a design which was almost this to a T. And what I really liked about it was sort of that slightly defiant spirit that I really wanted Gerda to exude as sort of the lead character of her own game. The reason that I eventually went away from this was that it wasn't giving me enough personality. She's cute and she's pretty, but she doesn't really have that much personality. So I decided at the end of the day to actually leave this character behind. But that was Gerda then, and next week I'm going to give you Gerda now. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.